The influx of Bangladeshi nationals and the Rohingyas in the national capital has been in the headlines for a long time. What's important is, in fact, is the data that through the deliberation and the efforts of the Delhi police has been now found out and discovered the nexus that has now prevailed. Joining me right now for the conversation is Joint CP Southern Range, SK Jain. Thank you for speaking to us. Sir, what is the latest breakthrough that the Southern District Police and under your deliberation have come forward in as far the Bangladeshi nationals that have entered India through the illegal and the donkey routes?
I'm happy to announce that earlier we used to find the illegal immigrant and used to deport them. But sometimes we are unable to find out the route and the main syndicate, the trafficker who brought them to India and what route they have taken. In this case, we have found out the main mastermind who used to bring them to India and the routes through which they used to come to India. Thirdly, how they used to make their forged document. We have also apprehended the person who used to make the forged identity document so that they can avail the facility of opening accounts and staying in India. Here, based upon the interrogation of two nationalists, Bangladeshi nationalists, Bilal Hussain and his wife Tanya Khan, we found that they were resident of Netrkona district, Bangladesh, which is having a border with the Meghalaya of Indian state. From Bangladesh, they have entered through Bagmara border of Meghalaya. At Bagmara, the Anish Sheikh has made a collaboration and has one facilitator named Aminur Rahim Islam, who used to provide them the transit facility and transportation facility. Once they enter into Indian territory, he used to pick them and take them to the nearest railhead, which is major railhead, that is Bongaigaon. From there, they used to come to Delhi or other cities. That's how they are entering to India. Here, Anish and his wife, Sapna, they used to provide them the accommodation, initial accommodation, so that they can reside in India. Secondly, to provide the facility of making the new identity documents, Aadhaar card and PAN card, so that they can easily stay in India.
Sir, you've also talked about the mastermind Anish, who's a Bangladeshi national. Apart from him, who are all the key associates that have been nabbed and deported by the Southern Police and also are also on the target specifically for this operation?
In the entire racket, there are three key players. One is the Bangladeshi nationalists, agents who are pushing the illegal immigrant to Indian territory, that are off radar. Second player is the Indian agent who facilitate them, receive them Indian border and provide them transit facility so that they can enter into the main cities. Third player is the main destination point, especially Delhi or neighboring NCR region, where they can receive them, they can accommodate them, so that initially they can stay there and make their livelihood. Fourthly, the main person who provide them the forged identity documents so that they can facilitate stay in India and make their Aadhaar card, PAN cards, so avail the further facility right from SIM card and bank account.
And also about how these fake identity cards and all of these major passports and everything were being made, through which technology or the operations was this facilitated by this entire gang?
We have arrested one person, Ashish Mehra, who is used to making the forged Aadhaar card. It is found that they are making the Aadhaar card and other document based upon absolutely fake documents, tampered documents. They are in hand in gloves with the illegal immigrants under just for the sake of few rupees. They are making the forged document.
The websites that in fact you have uncovered?
Yeah, we have also busted two websites where it is anybody can go and make their birth certificate, forged birth certificate, which is a primary document. Once you have a forged birth certificate, you can attach them and make your Aadhaar card or other documents.
Have these websites now been taken down?
Yes, action has been taken against both the websites.
Are there any other websites at this point currently on the nexus of the Delhi police that also issues or lets the people or the culprits make these documents and then enter through these different routes?
So far, these two websites have been identified. We are on the search to find out any more website or any other facility where these documents can be prepared without any inconvenience.
Apart from this, one last important thing is that politics on this has also been escalated. After the orders that have been issued by the LG, the Delhi police has also escalated the efforts. So the question is being raised, why the delay?
I won't say the delay. There was always action. Last year, we have deported 31 African national and 12 illegal Bangladeshis. It is issue that this drive has gathered more momentum during last 1 month.
Is there a conclusive number that you have for the number of illegal Bangladeshi immigrants that you have deported so far from the investigation that has been launched from last year?
In South District, we have deported 12 illegal Bangladeshi, and in Southeast also, we have deported 12 illegal Bangladeshis, other than the other national like Africans.
Thank you, sir, for speaking to us. This was, in fact, Joint CP Southern Range on the issue that has been heated up ahead of the assembly elections for the influx that has been increasing of the Bangladeshi nationals in the NCR region. This is Simran with video journalist Avdesh for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.